Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Foxit PDF Reader in 2026. First, open Foxit PDF Reader on your computer. To open a PDF file, click File, then Open, and select your PDF document. You can scroll with your mouse wheel to move through the pages. Use the plus and minus buttons to zoom in or zoom out. You can also choose Fit Page or Fit Width for a better reading view. To search for a word in the PDF, press Ctrl plus F, type the word, and press Enter. If you want to highlight text, go to the Comment tab, click Highlight, and drag over the text. You can also add notes by clicking Note and placing a comment anywhere on the page. To fill out a PDF form, click inside a text field and type your information. After filling out the form, press Ctrl plus S to save the changes. To print the PDF, click File, then Print, choose your printer and click Print. That's it. You now know the basics of using Foxit PDF Reader in 2026, including opening, reading, searching, highlighting, commenting, saving, and printing PDF files. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.